Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Spend a day with me as a software engineer working at ServiceNow Office Edition. As this metro moves, I sometimes pause and think how far I have come. I belong to Gujarat, born and raised in Ahmedabad. Coming to big cities like Bangalore or Hyderabad once felt like a dream. A dream I thought might never come true. But here I am. I still remember locking myself in a room, barely talking to anyone, just grinding. Late night leetcode, system design preparation, interviews back to back, and all of it led to this. And maybe it was destiny too. My father was a computer programmer in his younger days, and somehow, without even planning it, I ended up walking the same path. Funny how life works sometimes. My office has so much free food. If I were the kid Archie, I would have eaten everything and still asked for dessert. So here I will still go with apple. And let's see what else I can have. Okay, so we have oranges, green apples, and a lot of breads and detox water. But let's just start with the coffee. I used to be a tea person, but one deadline, two meetings, and three all-nighters later, coffee claimed me like an arranged marriage. No question asked, just have some coffee and enjoy rest. So, okay, now I will take my first coffee. Alright, time to look busy. The first half of a software engineer is basically check Slack, ignore Slack, open Jira, close it immediately. Read stand-up notes from teammates and wonder if I'm behind. Think deeply about one bug, then blame caching. Write 2 lines of code, spend 20 minutes naming a variable. Attend a stand-up and say, yesterday I was working on the same task, today I will continue working on the same task. And of course, my laptop fan is working harder than me, as usual. Well, jokes apart, this is actually my focus time. I usually spend this part of the day going deep into whatever I am building, whether it is writing features, fixing bugs, reviewing PRs, or just figuring out why something that worked yesterday is suddenly broken today. It is not always glamorous, but there is a strange satisfaction in solving problems, even if no one claps for it. Just me, my laptop, and thousands Chrome tabs fighting for them. This is the part where the real work happens. Well, I like to sit in a focus room where I can concentrate, just me, my laptop, and no distractions. Do you also feel that first half में जितना काम होता है तो second half में नहीं होता? Or am I the only one? After 2.5 hours of deep work, my brain had officially thrown a segmentation fault. Lunch is not just food, it is a reset button. At this point, even plain roti feels like Michelin star fine dining. Productivity may be optional, but Gujarati thali मिल जाए तो भाई मजा आ जाए. But फिलहाल we have some drinks. एक healthy option, एक unhealthy option है. Well, this is my favorite spot, massage chair. I usually use this when I am leaving office before 20 minutes, and trust me, that is the best feeling after the work. In my office, we can pick any spot and just start walking. Sofa, chair, balcony with sunlight, or a quiet hall where no one talks. It's all up to you. And honestly, that freedom helps keep things fresh, because sometimes a simple change of view can spark new ideas. But no matter where I sit, the work stays intense. Also, if you're like me, someone who spends more than half the day staring at screens, then you know how important blue light glasses are. They are basically my best friends. Without them, my eyes would be crying for mercy. Working in big tech company like this means you are not just writing code to solve your own problems. You are building solutions that impact thousands, sometimes millions of users worldwide. Every line of code has to be reliable, scalable, and secure. That means thinking through every edge case and testing endlessly. It is a lot of problem solving, a lot of patience, and yes, sometimes frustrations when things don't work the first time or the ninth time. But when a piece finally clicks into place, it's one of the best feeling. And even though we all are sitting at different corners of the office or sometimes even remote, the work is connected. Collaboration is the key. Okay. Now it's the time for what's in my bag. First of all, my blue light glasses cover. Then we don't only just have laptop and chargers, but we do have clutch to tie my hair, because when the cold gets intense, you don't want your hair in your face. Then we have a small pouch with all essentials. Then we do have sunglasses for those rare moments when I actually step outside and remember the sun exists. Then we have a scarf. And then we do have a pepper spray, the must, because hey, safety first, right? Alright, thanks for watching this little peek into my day. It's 6:30 now and time to wrap up and head out. Catch you in the next one.